Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a little Mustang cruise out to Drumheller, and we're going to take a look at the meetup today. A few cars that have joined us. Not sure what year this is. This is Randall's Mustang. She's done a lot to it. It looks really good. I like the accents. Looks nice. Really nice. And my beauty, of course. All shined up, ready to go. This is Byron's Eco Boost. Got the horse on the side. Man, he's got lots of accents done to this thing. Looks pretty cool. I don't know if you can see in there. Lights flash, the LED lights and everything. It looks really good. Hey, buddy. This is nice. Black on black. Let's rip. Awesome. Of course, the beautiful 350. Oh man, these are nice. Fantastic color too. Such a nice car.
Because it's
really nice. Gorgeous.
But yeah, that's what I was saying though. Like I sold that other one.
So nice.
Hated life. Off this one. Well, congratulations. Which one?
Nice convertible here. It's supposed to be like 18 or 20 cars going. I'm not sure how we're gonna all stay together, but oh well. I like that. I like that hood. It's really good. A few more over here. Beauty. Can't wait to get on the highway and rip with these guys. That is nice. The dark horses. Of course, the beautiful Shelbys, the 500s. Love them. Man, these are nice cars. Really nice. One day I'll get one. But hopefully the 2020. These are so nice. Supercharged, ready to go. Gorgeous. What do you put the 2013 taillights on it maybe? I don't know. Awesome. Clean. Stopping for some fuel, some of us. Drumheller. Pretty fun. Some rolly hills. Missed that one. Whoops. Holy bridge after bridge. Yeah. Just out in the foothills right now, and some twisty roads. Man, I can't stay out of this seat. I love this car. It is so fun in this stuff. Not sure if you'll be able to hear any downshifts. Kind of breezy. As you can see, some snow in the ditches still. In the shaded areas, I guess, of course, but highways seem fine. Not too many rocks. As I said, the front of the car and the sides are all PPF wrapped, so it should help me a bit. It's not a Lamborghini. This thing's meant to drive. Let's actually switch this mode up. I like this track mode. I like the dash where the RPM goes across the top. I like that. Tires are 305 30 19s all the way around. Sticks to the road pretty well. Nito 555 G2s actually. 555 Rs would be better. Thinking about getting those on the rears with a 325 wide. I think that would look cool. Ah, that wind noise. Sheesh, that gets her up there quick. So fun. These foothills are wicked. Would love to do Tail of the Dragon one day. That's on the bucket list. Ourselves a horse trailer here. I think I can get him here though. See ya. Wish it wasn't so windy out. You hear the car more. Because that's all we want to hear is this beautiful exhaust. But it's just a resonator delete and X pipe, but I love it. It sounds fantastic. Once again, guys, I apologize for the mixed bag video, but it is content, and everybody around here keeps complaining about the rocks in the road and too much gravel. But the highways are clear and the twisty roads are all beautiful. Like I said, these aren't $200,000 cars. I want to drive it. But I appreciate you watching, and please like and subscribe if you like what you see, and stick with me. There'll be more content to come. I'll see you in the next one.